mini lessons with Ms. H. And today we're going to do page 25, Unit 1, Week 3. So our lesson this for homework assignment is characters, setting, events, and fluency. So what that means is we're going to look back at the characters we've already annotated in the text, right? We're going to look at the setting where we have to assume, which is Jeff's home, and the events, which are usually the beginning, middle, and end of the story. And in this case, we focused on problem and solution. So fluency means all we're going to do is we're going to read the story twice for 1 minute, and we're going to see how many words you can read, okay? So this part, now we're going to do the D and the E. So we're going to dissect the text, and we're going to do evidence. Evidence means we're going to go back in the story to prove our answer is correct. All right? Who are the characters in the story? Who? Characters. These are the animals and people. So here, what did Ms. Hernandez teach you? To steal from the question to write your answer in a complete sentence. The characters in the story are or were So go back in the story and look at your annotations and write the characters here. So we had Jeff, so you would write Jeff. We had the family, they were characters too. The pets, okay, Kim had a bird. Rick had 2 mice. All right, and then towards the end of the story, you have to go back and look at what animal he got. So you should have at least 5 characters in the story. So I'm going to give you 1 minute to write the characters. Remember, I already highlighted them for you. So if you need to pause the video, please do. And make sure you're writing the characters right here. There should be at least 5 characters in the story. Okay, 1 minute, 1 minute. Now let's go to number 2. Where did the story take place? So this is the setting, right? So let's look. Remember that we had to assume the setting? We assumed or we inferred based on all the details that they were probably at their house. So the story we always steal took place in their home. Awesome. Now, I'm going to give you 1 minute to pause to copy that, okay? Ready, set, go. Number 3. What event took place at the end of the story? An event can be a problem, solution. But we know this happened at the end. And usually stories solve their problem at the end, right? So let's go in the back of the story. I'm going to highlight it, and I want you to highlight it too, or underline it in the story. And then you're going to write your answer. But before we do that, we always have to steal from the question. What event took place at the end of the story? At the end of the story, that's right. We wrote it here. Jeff's parents got him the rabbit. So put that text evidence statement right here for number 3 and highlight when you're done. I'll give you 1 minute. Work with a partner. Read the passage aloud. Pay attention to how your voice rises and falls as you speak naturally. Stop after 1 minute. Fill out the chart. So now you're going to read the story for 1 minute. And Ms. Hernandez is going to read too. And then you'll see where I stopped reading, okay? 1 minute, 1 minute. Stopped right here. And so now I'm going to write, in my first words read, I'm going to write 86. Don't put anything there. Now you have 1 minute to beat that score. Ready, set, go. time I read and stopped all the way over here. Wow, great job, Ms. Hernandez. And don't forget these words. This is the 95th word, the 105th word, okay? So if you look back here, this is the 86th word. That's how I knew I read 86 words. So if I would have stopped here, I would have counted 86, 87, 88, 89, and 90. Okay? So don't forget to practice your reading, practice your vocabulary words, and if you have a chance, get on that iReady to get 100%. See you next time. Bye!